Hello everyone, welcome to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to change your nickname in Tango. So without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, open Tango application. Now click on your profile in the top left corner. Click on your username. Now click on the pencil icon in the top right corner. Tap on it. Now clear the previous nickname and add in a new one. After you're done, click on the set option. And that is how you can change your nickname in Tango. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.